Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use System Restore on Windows 10. Sometimes you need to have a copy of all of your data and you don't know how to do that. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use System Restore on Windows 10. As you can see at the search bar of the Windows, you should just type create and you should go to the create restore point. And in this page, as you can see in this part, you can here configure restore setting. Here is your uh, here is your hard disk. For example, local C and your, for example, it's mine, D hard. You can configure the restore. You can apply the restore setting into this hard. For example, I want to choose the hard. I want to choose. I want to choose hard D, and I want to configure the system restore on it. As you can see, I click the configure, and here you should click the turn on system protection, and after that you should click the OK. By this applying changes, the system restore has been worked for you, and it's too easy learning. And thank you for watching us, and please subscribe our channel. Goodbye.